Uthe omunye umlungu mangase ama-South Africans angabi nandaba ukuthi abanye abantu bathini ngathi, that there's a lot that we can accomplish. Wathi lo mlungu okubhekisise abelungu. Abelungu babizwa ngawo wonke amagama, racist, intontontoni, but still abanandaba. They still keep on doing what they do, what benefits bona. Nathi kumele nathi sifunde nathi uku-adapta the same mentality. Ngempela. Uyabona into esengiyibonile about this whole thing nje, illegal immigrants, i-march and march, konke nje. Into esengiyi-observile ukuthi ngempela oJacinta opened a can of worms. And le can of worms le abayivulile, it's not about ukuthi uJacinta uvule this can of worms for i-organization yakhe, but uvule a can of worms ukuthi abantu baseNingizimu Afrika finally to babhodle and speak out and stand up basho bathi sesikhathele le mpahla le yalabantu bangaphandle. Ngikhathele ukuthi noma ngihamba etown mangithi ngibuza ama direction umuntu nje avela athi angi-understand ngibona i-Nigerian. Ngikhathele ukuthi ngicekelelwe phansi in my own country. Ngikhathele ukubukela odadewethu kuthiwa they are loose whores. Ngikhathele ukuthi ngibukele amadoda ethu kuthiwa are weak. Abanye abantu abazezweni lethu uzositshela ukuthi thina si weak. Abanye abantu abahlulwa ukwakha izwe labo but batshela thina ukuthi si weak. It's not necessarily about the fact that ukuthi uJacinta le organization ye march and march, but it's about the fuel le ayifakile enhlizweni zama-South Africans. It's been a long time as South Africans, Tina. We've been walking around as ama-zombies. Ngiyavuka, ngiyalala, ngiyadakwa. Ngiyavuka, ngiyalala, ngiyadakwa. Bese ngathi asifani ne-TV game. Into nje efanayo over and over and over again. And it's almost like i-march and march, i-light something. Umuntu wathi hayibo, kade lokho ngenza into eyi-1 and anginalutho. Iy'ngane zami azinalutho. Ongenani, everything just seems to be deteriorating. Iyo into uJacinta ayivusile. Uvuse that into the hearts of every South Africans. That even if uJacinta right now ngathi hayi mina sengiyayishiya phansi, abantu have been enlightened. Abantu. And that is a problem. Lento lena yama illegal foreigners, mina ingidina the most when uqhamuka emabandleni. Uthe uzwayibhala okubhekisise abantu abasesontweni, abantu abahluphekile. Wathi mangase manje kunikeze u400 million ungayini naye esontweni. Yeah, i-debatable lento ayishoyo yabo leyo nto singasebenzisa ama-avenues amaningi njengabantu, but masibheke nomhlaba njengamanje. Abantu bayahamba baye esontweni bathi balambile, bafuna ukufunda ukuthi bayeke ukulamba. Ngicommunicate kanjani noNkulunkulu ukuze ngiyeke ukulamba. Umuntu afike esontweni athi umfundisi nginikeza imali. Uthi wena but ngilambile bese athi umfundisi nginikeza imali khona izodablisheka. Mina bengazi ukuthi sengene eCasino. Bengazi mina usengene eCasino. Ogogo bethu bathathe imali ama-salaries abo ngathi baye eCasino bayobhetha e-altar babhethe phambi kwaNkulunkulu, and iyona msebenzi labantu laba bangaphandle asebefundise abefundisi base South Africa. Iyona into asebeyifundise because abafundi base South Africa babukela abafundisi bathi banemali nje laba benza kanjani, that sebengene ubudimoni bokuthanda imali over ukusiza abantu, over ukuwina souls. Besebengenwe idemoni lokuthanda imali nabo. That is why abantu bemjikela uNkulunkulu. Abamjikela abantu uNkulunkulu because abamethembi. Bayamjikela uNkulunkulu because labantu kumele ngabe bayabafundisa, kumele ngabe ekuthiwa uNkulunkulu bakhethile, bona bayisikhohlakali, bayislot machine. So that is why abantu bethi hayi ngeke mina ngiyajika la. Ngiyajika. And iyona into asebeyifundisa asebeyifake inside even ebandleni inkohlakalo labantu bangaphandle. That angisanandaba mina nomfelokazi, angisanandaba mina nentandane, into enendaba nayo ukuthi ufake emalini kubasket.